Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning here in the United States and somewhere around the world. Morning, it's morning, morning, good morning, good morning. And also, especially to all the people in the Philippines, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. And to all my families, of course, followers, viewers. Good evening, everyone. Here I am again. It's me, no other than Grace Benick at your service. Look at this, guys. What it's written my shirt, guys. Did you read that? Be kind to yourself. So nowadays, I'm very kind to myself. Alright, guys. Before, I'm not kind to myself, but now I am. I am kind to myself, guys. Nowadays. See, guys, it's pretty. See, I'm here in the second break room because I'm alone. Doing a video, of course. Of course, look at me, guys. Guys. So, ayan na naman ako, guys. And also, of course, my beautiful headband. Look at my headband, the queen headband. Here I am. The queen headband, no other than, of course, Grace Benick at your service. Look at that. Pretty headband. And also my earrings. Look at me. It's like shell earrings. It's, I think, yeah, shell earrings. Look. It's beautiful. Like it. So guys, anong mga pinagkakaabalahan ninyo dyan, guys? What are you doing in the Philippines? Already eat the dinner or not? Or some of them is still thinking what you're gonna do it, especially the people like me. So what you're gonna do, video? Be yourself na lang. Yan ang maipapayo ko. Be yourself. Be yourself and be kind yourself. Yes, it's me. Be yourself and be kind to yourself. So here I am. Happy lang ang peg. Happy lang ang peg. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Anyway, guys. Thank you so, anyway, I just want to say thank you to all the followers, viewers, and always engaging my video, my picture, my everything. Thank you so much. And share my video and click and click in comment below. Alright, bye.